First look and hands-on of iPhone 15 Pro Spigen Tough Armor Case. If you're interested in buying this case, you can check the link in the description below. The Spigen Tough Armor iPhone 15 Pro case is a solid choice if you're looking for protection, affordability, and convenience rolled into one. It features a built-in kickstand that easily pops out of its small indentation on the case, making it easy to watch videos or use your phone without needing to hold it. Granted, it's not the most stylish phone case, but it does a good job at protecting your iPhone 15 Pro from dents, knocks, and scratches. In fact, it's passed military-grade standard tests coupled with air cushion technology to ensure your phone doesn't get damaged through daily use or occasional accidents. While there isn't much choice in terms of colors or design, the Spigen Tough Armor is definitely worth investing in if you're looking for a basic iPhone 15 Pro phone case that's easy to install and comfortable to hold. Despite its name, the Spigen Tough Armor iPhone 15 Pro case is surprisingly lightweight and slim. It adds just 0.16 inches of thickness when installed on your iPhone 15 Pro, making it a great choice for people who don't want a bulky phone case. The flexible interior is soft and ensures your phone doesn't get scratched while inside the case, while the exterior is durable and features impact foam for shock absorption. The built-in kickstand on the Spigen Tough Armor case is easy to pop out with your fingers, however. It does feel pretty flimsy, and you're able to bend it with a little force. It's also possible to angle the kickstand, which isn't supposed to happen, nor is it a feature of this case. If you're not fussed about being able to charge your iPhone 15 Pro using a MagSafe charger, then the Spigen Tough Armor makes for a solid choice. Spigen is a big name in the phone case market, and there's clearly a reason for that, which has been displayed in this affordable iPhone 15 Pro case.